Hey, and welcome to this short Cetopo tutorial. If you're watching this, you're probably already familiar with using Cetopo, but maybe more used to using our 3D tools. In this video, we'll show you how to create beautiful bases for diagrams using our bands template. It's a really useful tool and is really popular with users who need to create design and access statements. Let's get started. First, you'll need to select the area you want to work with, then go to the bands template under Image and click the preview icon. Here you'll see a preview of the drawing you're about to download. Before downloading, you'll need to configure your template. Here, you can choose the scale for your drawing. We'd suggest 1 to 500, but don't forget you can always come back for more if you need them. Then, once you've chosen a scale, just click to download your file. To open your file in Illustrator, select the file named preview.svg within the folder you've downloaded. Now, if you look at the Layers panel, you'll see that all elements of the drawing have been conveniently grouped together. To begin to edit the appearance of a layer, select all elements in the layer and choose a fill color, like so. Now you can go ahead and edit the appearance of all the other layers until you're happy with how it's looking. You might also want to change the opacity of layers like trees, and you can do so by dragging here. Now you're ready to start creating beautiful diagrams. Here's one we made earlier. Thanks for watching. Bye.